later in the day, and I'm going to be trying these moon cheese cheddar believe it snacks. They're crunchy bites of golden delight. As we can see, they only have 1 gram of carbs for the entire package, and it's 170 calories, which fits into my macros perfectly. So yeah, I'm super excited to try these. They seem like they're going to be really good. So this is what they look like inside, y'all. They are so cheesy. They are crunchy. So if you need like a snack or something to eat with a sandwich or something like that, they taste so freaking good. And this is just a close-up of how they look. But yeah, they're super cheesy, super tasty, and you can have the whole pack for 1 gram of carbs. What's up, Danny gang? Welcome back to our channel. So y'all already know by the freaking title, we are going to be doing another what I eat in the freaking day. If y'all are tired of these, let me know. But so many people keep asking me for them, so we're going to do another one. So yeah, in the previous clips, you guys saw me making my coffee and everything like that. Now, I did do the keto cappuccino again, but the footage was a little bit all over the place because people were in there making their coffee as well. So if you want an in-depth video of how I make my French vanilla keto coffee cappuccino, look at my last what I eat in a day, because I took time to actually film it, but I wanted to make sure I included the clips. So that was the first thing I ate and or drank, was the keto cappuccino. And then couple hours later, around 10 o'clock, I ate some of those moon cheese snacks, and that's a snack that my job actually provided. So yeah, bomb. But before we get into lunch, I wanted to come and say, hey, I wanted to let y'all know that I am now jumping people in the Danny gang. So if you've been watching me and you like my style, or you're a keto and you want to know how I lost almost 100 pounds, or whatever reason made you click on this video, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that way anytime I post you can be notified. And just clicking the subscribe button means you're a lifetime member of the Danny gang, period. So yeah, I wanted to get that said. But yeah, now we're about to dive into lunch, and this video is actually sponsored by 310 Nutrition Shake. So I will be putting all the information for 310 Nutrition in the description box below. If you are in the keto world, then you have probably seen this before, and I will insert a clip of how this was sent to me. Okay guys, so this is how I received my package. It came in this brown box from 310 Nutrition, and of course I've already opened everything, but I just wanted to show you how it came. So I got this package, and then they sent me my very own bottle of MCT oil. And if you're keto, you know that MCT oil is important. I don't incorporate it in my daily life as much as I should, but I think now that I have a new bottle, I will. And as you can see, it says keto and paleo, vegan friendly, non-GMO, gluten-free, and you can add this to food, you can add this to your coffee, and it just helps you get your fat intake in. It also says it can be used in salad dressings and cooking. So yeah, they sent me a bottle of MCT oil, and then they also sent me this huge, when I say huge box. So boom, 310 shake. It's a meal replacement, 30 individual servings, perfect for on the go. So if you work a lot like me, or if you're not at home, like to eat lunch, then this is bomb. You can even do dinner. Clean eating wherever you go. And it says their shakes or support a healthy lifestyle, and they're only 90 calories. And as you guys can see from earlier, I showed you guys the carbs, which are bomb, and it tastes freaking delicious. So let's dig in. So yeah, as you guys can see, they sent me a plethora of shakes. So they sent me strawberry, they sent me chocolate, I got vanilla, got a lot of vanilla, which is good because you can always add other things to make it, you know, the flavor you want. I got mocha, which I'll probably try tomorrow. I had the salted caramel, which I showed you. That's what I had today. And then I also got toasted coconut. So yeah, I just wanted to come really quickly and show you guys how it was packaged. I will put everything in the description box below as far as like pricing and the website in case you guys are interested. So yeah, back to the video. So thank you so much, 310 Nutrition. They sent me so many packs of the shakes, and they also sent me some MCT oil. So yeah, I'm gonna probably insert this clip either on the screen or I'm gonna jump to it. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I came and showed you guys what we're about to have for lunch. So we are actually about to have the 310 shake and salted caramel. And I really love companies like this, especially because I work full time and I need something quick and easy to kind of eat for lunch or drink. So that's what we're gonna do. Again, if I have a coupon code or anything, I'll leave it on the screen. I'll leave the website and the Instagram on the screen as well in the description box below. We are gonna be trying the salted caramel one, which I'm super excited about. They sent me chocolate, they sent me vanilla, they sent me strawberry. Y'all, they sent me so much stuff. So yeah, again, thank you 310 Nutrition for sponsoring this video. If y'all want to know more information about them, then go to 310nutrition.com. And again, look in the description box and on the screen. I'm going to be leaving so many things and just more tips and more about the company. So yeah, this is the one I'm gonna have. So the serving size is one package, and there are many different ways you can make this shake, but again, I work full-time. I don't have like a blender and all of that, so I really like the fact that you can just use one pack, 12 fluid ounces of water, and shake it up and you're good to go. Another cool thing about this is it is definitely keto friendly. So there are a total of 7 carbs, but 5 dietary fibers. So it only is 2 carbs. So my lunch is gonna be 2 carbs. It's sugar-free, dairy-free, soy-free, egg-free, nut-free, gluten-free. And yeah, here's some information on the back. And I'll do a close-up when I show you guys like the unboxing. I'll do a close-up. So yeah, I just wanted to come show you guys what we're eating for lunch, because you know once I get in the kitchen, it be lit. People be trying to eat, period. So yeah, let's go make lunch. Okay guys, so really quickly, I'm trying it. It is really good. Now this is just like the most basic way that I'm sure you can make this, and again, this is realistic. This is something that I will really do because I work a lot. But yeah, so I really like it. This is the salted caramel one. All I did was take 12 fluid ounces of water, shake it up, add some ice, and we're good to go. This is definitely something that I would drink on a daily basis to fill me up and be no carbs. So if you want more information about it, look in the description box below, and I'll see you guys the next time I eat something or dinner. I liked it. Okay, edges, okay, hair, okay, face, okay. So for dinner, we're gonna have Quest Pizza. I have never had Quest Pizza before, so we're gonna have Quest Pizza, and basically it has 25 grams of carbs, but minus 19 grams of dietary fiber, so it's only 6 grams per serving. A serving is half the pizza, so I'm gonna let that preheat. But yeah, this is what we're gonna have. So this is what it looks like, and it's small. This looks like a pizza for one person. Probably eat half and get full. But yeah, so yeah, this is what we're gonna have for dinner. Okay guys, so here is the Quest Pizza. I don't have a pizza cutter, so I'm just gonna use a knife and cut it down the middle because I'm just gonna try to eat half. It's a relatively small pizza, but it looks and smells really good, and I love the fact that the crust actually crisps up. like a real pizza. And like I said, if you cut it in half, it's 6 grams of carbs per half of pizza, which is absolutely not bad. But this is what it looks like. I did go and add some extra mozzarella on top because I wanted some extra cheese. I love cheese. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and eat my dinner, and I'll be back to close the vlog out and tell you how it was. All right, y'all. I literally could not wait until I finished eating to come back. When I say this freaking pizza is so delicious, y'all. If Angela Michelle was here, was my mama, I would slap her. Y'all already know I wouldn't lie. It's crisp. All right, y'all, so I'm finished eating. I'm about to go ahead and edit this vlog or edit this video so I can get it up for you guys in the morning. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, go ahead and drop the pizza down below because you'll subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Reporting live from the internet, signing out. Back to you, world. Bye, guys.